Today I'm going to show how to create a web API on Asp.NET on the Visual Studio Code with the minimal configurations that we need to have it up and running with like a basic controller. So let's start. First thing, we're going to create a new empty .NET app by saying .NET Web. The name is going to be tutorial 1. I missed me. Here we go. Okay, now we have project created. Let me open the folder. So as we can see, we have an empty Asp.NET Core project with the basic configuration. So we're going to first start with startup file by adding services, and then we're going to add MVC. We're going to use MVC core because we are just going to use like the minimal configuration for web API, and if we add like MVC, we're going to add all of the services and configuration like for views and all of that stuff that we don't need right now. So we're going to start with this one, and then we're going to add the JSON formatter because, as I told you, this one doesn't bring all the things that MVC brings. So I have to add this configuration so I can format my JSON when I call my controller. And the second thing is going to say app.use MVC. So my app I'm going to use MVC, and that's it. That's it for like the basic configuration, the my web API. So next step is go and create like a controller folder as we have in the MVC app. Now I'm going to add values controller. My values controller, going to say namespace, great, say tutorial 1. Dot no, I want like this. Then dot controllers. Great. Now say I need a class. It's going to be public one, and then values and inherits from controller. Great. Now controller. Okay, going to add controller for this library. And this is a basic library that we use for controllers and to have access of the all API for controllers. Now going to add my route. So when we call this controller, the app knows how to find it. Going to say look for controller controller folder or file name. And now I'm going to add a few methods. Let me first create like a simple array of strings and names. Going to have so this one we're going to use it to return the data. Say now let's say that we have a few methods here. Say going to return a string array, and then get. So until there's going to be HTTP get. Great, it's formatted a bit. And what did I do here? Great. Now I'm going to return my names. Okay, and then let's create another one. For this one, we're going to like add a filter. First, I'm going to set up my filter, hit up, saying that I'm going to have a variable called name. Yes. Then here, I'm going to say string name. So when I go get, and with a parameter called name, we'll return just a name. I'm going to filter here for first or default. I run a link to query this list. Then here I can say X, yes, query to name. Then I will return the first name, the forename, the list. I think that with that we just need to go to the console and say .NET, say watch run, watch run will keep my server alive while I make the changes that are good. I like to use it. Now let's wait until the server. Okay, now the server is up, and then if I go to my server and I say, okay, I say values, it will give me the list of values. So you can see here, can format it a little bit. Yes, it's my array of values. But if I say values that are like Luis, then I get Luis. That's it. That's all I want to show you. That is like a basic ASP.NET Web API with the minimal configuration. We don't need to do too much to make it work, just like that. And my next tutorials, I'm going to add services, database first, code first. I hope you like it. See ya.